Have you ever stopped to think that some foods we consume daily might be silently harming our kidney health? The truth is, our kidneys, although small, play a crucial role in filtering toxins and balancing nutrients in our bodies. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of the negative effects certain foods can have on these vital organs. In this video, you will discover how simple dietary choices can protect or compromise your kidney health, and you will find practical and easy-to-implement solutions. Get ready to dive into knowledge that can transform your life and preserve your kidney health. After all, taking care of your kidneys is taking care of your overall vitality. Potassium-rich foods. When we think about kidney health, it is essential to pay attention to potassium intake. Delicious fruits like avocados, bananas, apricots, and oranges, as well as dried fruits, are packed with this mineral. While these are healthy options, for those with kidney issues, a high level of potassium can be problematic. Imagine your kidneys as filters. If these filters are damaged, they cannot process potassium efficiently, which can lead to complications. Consider a practical example. Maria, who loves smoothies, has kidney problems. To take care of her health, she can opt for smart substitutions. Instead of bananas and avocados, she can use apples or berries, which are safer for her condition. This way, she can still enjoy a tasty snack without harming her health. Small dietary changes can make a big difference in kidney health and overall well-being. Another important point is the frequency of consumption of these foods. Perhaps you love a good guacamole or a fresh orange juice. This doesn't mean you need to eliminate them entirely from your diet, but rather consume them in moderation. By balancing the intake of potassium-rich foods with other safer options, you can keep your kidneys functioning more efficiently and avoid health problems. Now, let's explore other foods that also deserve special attention. Potassium-rich vegetables. When talking about kidney health, we cannot forget potassium-rich vegetables like spinach, potatoes, and tomatoes. These foods, although nutritious, can be a challenge for those who need to control their potassium levels. For example, a dish of sautéed spinach or a baked potato may seem like a healthy choice, but for someone with kidney problems, it can lead to an excess of potassium in the blood, which is risky. Imagine Joao, who loves a good serving of French fries and spinach salad. To take care of his kidney health, he can make some simple swaps. Instead of potatoes, he can choose squash or carrots, which have lower potassium content. In salads, replacing spinach with lettuce or cabbage can be a great choice. These substitutions not only help keep potassium levels under control but also offer nutritious variety to the diet. Additionally, tomato-based products like sauces and soups need to be consumed with caution. A pasta with tomato sauce can be a delicious meal, but it may pose a risk for those with kidney issues. In such cases, opting for herb-based or low-potassium vegetable sauces can be a tasty and safe alternative. This way, it is possible to maintain kidney health without giving up tasty meals. Now, let's explore another category of foods that require special attention. Nuts and legumes. Nuts and legumes are known for their nutritional benefits, but for kidney health, it is crucial to monitor their consumption. Almonds, cashews, and legumes like beans and lentils are rich in potassium and phosphorus. These minerals, in excess, can be problematic for those with kidney diseases, as damaged kidneys cannot filter these elements efficiently. Let's think of a practical scenario. Anna, who loves a healthy snack, always has a jar of mixed nuts at hand. However, to protect her kidneys, she can make some changes. Instead of almonds and cashews, she can opt for small portions of macadamia nuts or peanuts, which have lower potassium levels. When it comes to legumes, Anna can consume green beans or peas, which are safer for kidney health. Furthermore, when preparing meals, it is important to remember that legumes like beans and lentils can be consumed in controlled portions. This doesn't mean these protein sources need to be eliminated from the diet but rather consumed in a moderate and balanced way. For example, a bean salad can be delicious, but a smaller portion mixed with low-potassium vegetables can help maintain kidney health. Now, let's consider the impact of other foods that also need monitoring. Dairy and whole grains. Dairy products and whole grains are often promoted as healthy foods, but for those concerned about kidney health, it is important to pay attention to phosphorus and potassium intake. Products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, as well as whole grains like whole wheat bread, contain high levels of these minerals. People with kidney problems need to carefully balance these foods in their diet. Consider Carlos, a dairy lover who likes to start the day with a bowl of whole yogurt and granola. To protect his kidneys, he can opt for Greek yogurt with low phosphorus and mix it with low potassium fruits like strawberries or blueberries. When it comes to bread, instead of whole wheat bread, Carlos can choose white or rye bread, which have lower phosphorus levels, providing a safer alternative for his kidneys. Moderation is key. Instead of completely eliminating dairy products and whole grains, it is possible to adjust the amount and frequency of consumption. For example, using fortified almond milk with low phosphorus can be an excellent substitution for cow's milk. For grains, including alternatives like quinoa or white rice can offer variety to the diet without compromising kidney health. Now, let's explore the effects of processed foods on kidney health. Processed foods. Processed foods are a common part of the modern diet, but for kidney health, these foods can be especially harmful due to their high sodium content. Canned foods, processed meats, and snacks like pretzels and cookies contain preservatives and additives that can overload the kidneys. Excess sodium can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure, further complicating kidney health. Let's imagine Pedro, who loves a ham sandwich and a pack of pretzels as an afternoon snack. To better take care of his kidneys, he can opt for some simple swaps. Instead of ham, Pedro can choose grilled chicken or fresh turkey, which have less sodium. For a crunchy and healthy alternative to pretzels, carrot sticks or cucumber slices are excellent options that help keep sodium levels in check. Additionally, when shopping, it is important to read food labels and choose low-sodium options. For example, when opting for canned vegetables, choosing those without added salt can make a big difference. These small dietary adjustments can not only improve kidney health but also contribute to a more balanced and nutritious diet. Now, let's analyze the impacts of sugary and diet beverages on kidney health. Sugary and diet sodas. Sodas, both sugary and diet, are a temptation for many, but they can be especially harmful to kidney health. These products are not only high in sugar but also contain phosphorus additives that can overload the kidneys. Excessive soda consumption can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and cardiovascular issues, all factors that negatively affect kidney function. Think of Anna, who always starts her day with a can of diet soda. To protect her kidney health, she can replace this drink with healthier options like sparkling water with a hint of lemon or unsweetened iced green tea. These alternatives are not only refreshing but also help keep the kidneys functioning properly without the added burden of harmful additives. Besides replacing sodas, it is important to adopt a healthy hydration mindset. Drinking water is the best way to keep the kidneys clean and functioning efficiently. For those who miss the taste of sodas, fruit or herb-infused water can be an excellent option. These small changes in beverage habits can have a significant positive impact on kidney health. Now, let's discuss how alcohol and butter consumption can affect the kidneys. Alcohol and butter. Alcohol and butter consumption can be a big challenge for those concerned about kidney health. Alcohol, in particular, is toxic to the kidneys and can cause dehydration, which overloads these vital organs. Butter, rich in saturated fats, can contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, impairing blood circulation and, consequently, affecting kidney function. Imagine Lucas, who likes to relax with a cold beer after work. To better care for his kidneys, he can opt for less harmful beverages like natural juices or water flavored with fruit slices. Additionally, reducing butter consumption and choosing healthier options like olive oil or avocado can help keep fat levels in check, promoting cardiovascular and kidney health. Another important consideration is the frequency and amount of consumption. Instead of completely eliminating alcohol, Lucas can limit himself to 1 or 2 drinks a week and opt for dry wines in small quantities, which have less impact on the kidneys. Replacing butter in recipes with vegetable alternatives can also be an effective strategy to reduce saturated fat intake. These changes can significantly contribute to overall kidney and body health. Now that you have learned how different foods can impact your kidney health, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Think about your daily choices. How can you adjust your diet to protect these important organs? Small changes, such as replacing potassium and phosphorus-rich foods with safer alternatives, or opting for healthy beverages instead of sodas and alcohol, can make a big difference. Are you ready to transform your diet and, consequently, your health? What will you change today to ensure your kidneys function at their best? Share your experiences and challenges in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications to keep learning about health and wellness, and follow our tips for a healthier and more balanced life. Let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier life.